Hi guys, I'm Miss Mini Life. Welcome back or welcome for the first time if you're new here. This is an Alice in Wonderland diorama in a cigar box that I'm finishing up today. MB4463 requested a diorama in a cigar box a couple of months ago, and it's finally finished. So I am super excited to show you guys how to pull it all together. Just wanted to say thank you to all of the subscribers, new, old, and if you haven't subscribed but you watched the video, I really appreciate it, and we're growing a lot, so I'm super excited. I'm super excited, and I have so many more ideas that I want to show you guys. Let's get into the build. I was able to score these cigar boxes for free from a very kind cigar shop owner in my area of town. I'm using an iron to remove the stickers without ripping the outer paper. The paper inside was glued down using a water-based glue, so I had to scrub the paper lining off with a wire brush. This pancake box is a great source of cardboard for building the sides of the White Rabbit's house. And I always use this foam board for easy breaks. My personal Cheshire cat makes sure those pesky crumpled papers know exactly where their place is. This drywall is for once being used for making actual walls. I'm smoothing it with a wet paintbrush. Making old windows has become my favorite thing to build lately. Here's a fun fact. When I was a child, I actually hated the Disney Alice in Wonderland movies because I didn't understand that it was a dream, and I was worried that Alice would find herself there again. And of course, because I thought losing my head would be perfectly horrible. My idea is that the White Rabbit lives somewhere directly behind the tea party that's always occurring at Hatter and Hare's place. Today I'm testing an experiment by making leaves out of Mod Podge tissue paper. I think the leaves are thinner and more realistic than painted paper. In the end, the tissue paper is extremely strong. I'm cutting it up into tiny little leaves. This static grass is going to serve as the very, very fine branches for the rose bushes. I made the roses using the same techniques that I used to make the leaves. This rose bush is right in the middle of being painted red, because we know how the queen hates white roses. And I'm still very fond of my head. I made a chair after realizing that no one had anywhere to sit at this table, and I used the same steps that I used to make my table a few videos back in this series. In the end, I think I can improve on this method, so I'll be making more chairs like this in the future. Tell me what you guys think of the finished project down in the comments, and tell me if you like the Alice in Wonderland movies or not. They're actually some of my favorites now, including the newer reboot ones. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.